Waldman doing
but
double duty
today. But he didn't give us the one from the gutter.
No, he's smarter than that. He's
He
smarter
wants
than
to
that.
give it a job.
All right, very good. Well, so there was snow coming, the tiniest amount outside an hour ago.
Yeah, I saw that. I was out there
no big deal, though, for us, for the most part, right?
No, at least not in New York City or places inland. It's really along the coast, like the Jersey Shore and Long Island. That's where we're going to probably see a little bit more in the way of.
When I say accumulation, I'm talking very light, from a coating to mostly 2 inches. It's out towards the east, and we could see a little more. We'll look at that in just a second. Let's talk about the temperatures today. It was cold out there. Definitely felt like a winter day rather than a spring day.
Our high temperature in Central Park hit 39 degrees. We hit that at about, I think it was 140 earlier this afternoon. Our average highs should be in the low 50s. I think we'll finally get there as we go into the weekend this week. Right now we're sitting at 34 in the park. The winds are relatively light, although they have been blustery from time to time. They're actually going to pick up in speed as we go through the evening. Right now we're sitting 33 in Poughkeepsie. It's 31 in Sussex. You're down to 27 in Monticello, and down the shore in Belmar, we're sitting at 30 degrees with 34 in Islip, and same number out towards Montauk. The winds are coming out of the east-northeast here, roughly between 5 and 13 miles per hour, but that's just along the coast. You can see further inland, things are relatively calm. This has to do with the system that's developing offshore, and it will be intensifying greatly and increasing our wind speeds. Factor in those winds with the current readings, and we have wind chills mostly in the 20s at this time. A wind advisory has been issued for the shaded areas here. This is for tomorrow. This is where we could see wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour along the coast, all due to that intensifying low sitting offshore. So be aware of that and factor that in with the temperatures. That'll be below average tomorrow, and it will feel very, very cold out there on Wednesday. Here's a look at our Sky Guardian radar. The snow is starting to move in from the south here. Most of it's being reported across southern parts of New Jersey. It's starting to make its approach around Staten Island and Manhattan and the south shore of Long Island, and we'll see that overspread the area as we go through the next few hours. I think most of the action will happen along the coastal areas. It's further north and west that you'll probably escape the bulk of the snow here. Probably even a trace in a lot of spots, and in some areas you probably won't see any snowflakes. As we go through the larger picture, we'll see there's a lot of moisture associated with this low. It'll be moving to the northeast here, really bringing some big snows across parts of New England, like into Cape Cod and western parts of Rhode Island. But it looks like for us, we're going to be on the outer fringes of the major batch of precipitation, and that's why we expect the light amounts across the region. A look at the future cash shows tomorrow. We'll wake up with plenty of sunshine that will stay with us through the day, but it will be very windy and cold behind the system, so brace yourself and bundle up for a very cold day tomorrow. Thursday will start out with sunshine. Clouds will be on the increase in advance of the next system that'll bring us a chance of rain by the end of the week. So by tomorrow morning, we're expecting just a trace inland to up to 2 inches across Nassau County. We could see upwards of about 4 inches across the extreme east end of Long Island near Montauk, and higher amounts out towards New England. So tonight the snow will be developing. It'll be windy and cold with our lows in the teens and 20s. Tomorrow, we'll have clearing skies through the day. The winds will pick up. It will feel very cold. High numbers in the 30s will feel more like the teens and 20s. We'll be in the 40s by Thursday, but it will still be windy. The winds will slacken off.
The temperatures will rise into the 50s, but we'll have a chance of a few scattered showers on Friday. More steady rain expected on Saturday, but liking those temperatures, we'll be in the 50s right into next week. So we're starting off the week winter-like, but it looks like we'll end it more like spring.
It's the official season right now, believe it or not.
Yeah, right.